In this video, let's take a look at the Klipsch T5II True Wireless Sport McLaren Edition earbuds. At the time of making this video here in Australia, they are currently on sale and are being sold at 310 Australian dollars. And for that money, Klipsch made sure that you will get top of the line unboxing experience. So as soon as you open the box, you will get this quick start guide with some helpful tips. Then you will get a couple of McLaren and Klipsch branded stickers, which seems to be very good quality by the way. After that, there is another booklet that has a bit of a history lesson for you on McLaren and Klipsch. Behind this book, there is a commemorative membership card made out of some sort of metal. So if you are a fanboy, then all this stuff is pretty great. After that, you get 5 sets of different size silicone ear tips which are oval in shape. And Klipsch has a patent on this design, so you will probably not see this type of shape in any other earbuds. Then on another bag, you get 2 different sized ear fins and 1 pair of memory foam tips. They also come with a pretty long USB-C to USB-C cable that is padded with a protective McLaren themed fabric, and there is also a USB-A converter if you ever need one. And from another bag, you will also get this Klipsch and McLaren branded wireless charging pad with some race car vibes to it. Seems like it can only fit the case and nothing else with it. And finally, you get the T5II True Wireless Sport earbuds and of course the carrying case that comes with it. The case is definitely on the bigger size and probably is something that is not meant for most pants pocket. And their weight is also close to 100 grams. So it's better if the case is carried while hung on something using the loop attached with the case, or if it is thrown inside a backpack. First of all, this case is IP67 rated dust and waterproof resistant. Then to open the case, which is not magnetic, you have to lift a latch on one of the sides. Now, this latch ensures that when the lid of the case is shut, it stays that way and no amount of dust or water can go in. And the lid of the case is filled with some sort of moisture absorbing balls which looks like silica gel balls, but I'm not entirely sure what this material is used here. But you can hear that it makes a rattling sound when shaken. And honestly, I'm not a big fan of this sound, but the concept is that even if you keep your sweaty or wet earbuds inside, the case will make the earbuds dry. And talking about earbuds, you will see that there are 2 different branding on both the earbuds, one for Klipsch and the other one is for McLaren. Other than that, there is a LED light indicating connectivity and battery status. Also, the earbuds are IP67 waterproof rated, which makes them similarly rugged as the case. The Klipsch T5II True Wireless earbuds made no compromises with comfort. They come with a wide variety of ear tips as I showed you before, which will make sure that you find a fit that is tailored for your needs. Then the ear fins also adds to the stability of the already secure earbuds. The battery life on the Klipsch T5II Sport earbuds lasts around 8.5 hours on the earbuds itself, and with the case, you can extend that up to 3 more times. Plus, you can wirelessly recharge the case with any Qi-enabled charger or the one that comes with it. The Klipsch T5II Sport earbuds have physical controls underneath the logo on the face of the earbud. You can tap to get a good tactile feedback, and you can do things like call your phone's voice assistant, skip between tracks, control volume, handle calls, etc. And all of this works flawlessly. And I personally prefer physical controls over touch controls anyways, so this is a big plus for me. These earbuds connect via the older Bluetooth 5.0 technology and has a line of sight of around 10 meters, which is good enough I would say. And in terms of codecs, it supports all the popular ones like SBC, AAC and also aptX adaptive. The T5II Sport earbuds do not offer any noise cancellation unfortunately, but has a transparency mode with which you can adjust how much of the surrounding sound you want the earbuds to allow to enter. This basically works against the passive noise isolation that you get with the earbuds. And in my tests, I found that if you crank it up high, then only you will notice some difference. Otherwise, in medium and low levels, it is very hard to differentiate if the transparency mode is even working or not. In terms of sound, I was not really that impressed because of the lack of kick from the bass range frequency. This is a very common trait amongst all the major sport earbud out there, so I'm not really sure what Klipsch tried to do here, because they kind of overlooked this area while tuning their own sport earbud. Having said that, it does not sound flat because the treble is very warm and the mids or vocals are also very sharp, but it just lacks some depth in overall sound because of the bass being so mellow. They do come with an equalizer, and usually the perfect setting is where you have an U curve like this, but in this earbud's case, even with that setting, I could not get any proper bass out of it. Testing the microphone of the T5II True Wireless Sport Earbud, McLaren edition. Mic check, 1 2 3 1 2 3. Mic check, 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. As you just heard, I think that the call quality is not bad. It does bring in a lot of ambient sound because it does not have noise cancellation, but it still manages to focus on the voice. Plus the voice does seem very natural, which I really like. So overall, I would say that the Klipsch was on their way for scoring a perfect home run had they invested a little more on the sound quality. I think that a lot of people can live without active noise cancellation if the passive noise cancellation is good enough, and which is the case with these earbuds anyways. But it's hard to recommend a sport earbud without much bass on it. Maybe if you're a McLaren or a Klipsch fan, then buying this would make sense, but that's just me. Please let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section down below, and if you enjoyed watching this video, then please like, share and subscribe. This is Nafis signing off till next week. Peace.